Bitch, I'm a pistol packing, yeah, what's cracking, play, but he gon' mix it fully auto ARP, equipped to scope.
We're on an excursion. But let's think about this for a second. What is the actual goal?
Bro, the goal is to just go out and have a good time.
Yeah,
You know?
but
That's it.
We're in the middle of a snowstorm.
Bro, it doesn't matter.
It's not even plowed. It's still snowing. Holy shit, that shit's deep.
Not deep enough for this TRX.
Oh.
So, Vinny and I had a fantastic idea, right? It's snowing. Well, let me turn this on. It's snowing, and the weather is challenging us to a face-off on this Saturday night. It's trying to say that we are too pussy to go out tonight. And I challenge it to a duel to the death. So Vinny and I were warriors. We're going straight forward into the storm, into the blizzard. And we could be annihilated at any point. However, because we are skilled Marines, right? Philosophically and physically, because we train every single fucking day. For a day like this, we're going to come. We are going to be victorious. And that's it. Now let's go fucking kick some ass. There we go. See? It's not even snowing. It's perfectly fine. It's just a regular day. People get all overwhelmed about the weather, about this, about that. And all of their problems could be solved if they just bought a TRX.
Yeah.
Like, that's all you have to do. Just buy a TRX and all of your life problems are solved.
Yep.
Just buy a fucking TRX. Got snow mode, sport mode when you want to go fast, 700 horsepower, Hellcat engine, tow if you need to fucking tow something, right? If you got to tow one of the Audis, tow.
Or two of the Audis.
Or two, right? Rock, Baja, mud and sand. It's got everything. We'd never get stuck in the sand. We'd never get stuck in the snow. We'd never get stuck in the mud. We'd never get stuck anywhere. This is the fucking TRX. So, let's go have some fucking fun, bro.
Bro, there's a lot of snow here. You do know that it's the middle of the night. There's snow everywhere. There's plows going by. We're not supposed to be doing this right now.
Listen, there's a lot of things that you're not supposed to be doing. However, those limitations are set for the people that want to stay a slave, for the people that want to stay living the average experience of life. But if you want to do anything extraordinary, if you want to experience anything worth experiencing, you're going to have to do something that's outside of the norm. Like going out on a snowy Saturday night when it's blizzarding and you can't fucking see shit. But the good thing is with the TRX, you can see perfectly fine. You're tall. Nothing could happen to you. You're indestructible when you're in this fucking tank. So, I think we'll be all right. There's no way that your life is going to be exciting, that your life is going to be a story worth telling if you just stay at home all day, all night, doing nothing. Or maybe doing something, but still not having any interaction with the world. How could you possibly live an existence that's fulfilling like that? No outside world contact, nothing challenging, no communication, lacking your own self-expression. Because if you're expressing yourself at your house, you're just a fucking jerk off. You're fucking gay. So it just makes so much more sense, especially in days like this, to go out and have a good fucking time. That's what we're doing. We got our work done, okay? Everything's done. And that's the other thing too. It's not like we're not working. We're fucking working,
We're working
doing
right now.
this, doing that. Every single fucking day there's something happening, but we always get our fucking work done.
Exactly.
And because we get our work done, we get to go out and celebrate.
And also work.
And work. This video right now, this is fucking work. I'm sharing my knowledge and my adventures with you people who are now going to be inspired to live a fuller life. This is work, and I love my fucking job.
We actually just got a warning on the truck. It says a winter storm warning.
That was a hack. Somebody with a Ford Raptor hacked the TRX probably.
You
These
see-
are the warnings that the Fords get. So like, they're trying to scare us with their bullshit warnings that they get because they need it. This is a fucking TRX, okay? We don't need this shit. Ford, you can go fucking suck a dick, bro. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna say that. Okay? Henry Ford, he was a smart guy. But the rest of y'all, go suck a dick. TRX. FTW.
Ford K.
Ford K. Yo, it's funny because if you lift the hood of the TRX, you'll see a TRX with a Raptor in its mouth. Not like that, but you know, like it just killed it, you know? Like real shit, you know? Not that gay shit. It's probably what Ford has. Ford's gay. Nah.
Well, no, because I don't have winter shoes.
Nah, the Uggs are fine.
No, but these are more slippery.
It's funny because she says she wants to wear heels, but white girls are known for wearing Uggs. And in the day that you're supposed to wear Uggs, you don't wear Uggs. I mean, you're wearing them now, thank God. Because this is my private road. You see, a lot of people don't know, but I actually own the roads. And this is living proof that these roads are mine.
Hmm.
Look, who's outside right now?
Nobody.
Exactly.
I don't even see anybody.
That's the point, bro. The reason why they're not out right now is because these roads are mine, and they know it, and they're scared of coming out because they know, okay, this
Well,
person,
there's somebody there.
that person doesn't count. Neither the days. Actually, those people are my people. That's why they're going that way. They're gonna check on my house to make sure that things are okay. I have security that goes back and forth to monitor the streets. That's what was happening.
Oh,
so
okay.
yeah. Those are my people.
There's another guy though.
I don't see anything.
Now this is the proper road though.
You know what it is, bro? It's not really about you driving. It's about the other people that are on the road that don't know how to fucking drive. Because you could be driving perfectly, and then somebody can come that is fucking stupid or wants to go faster than the car can handle, and then they end up fucking crashing into you. Well, that's not gonna happen, obviously, because that'd be a stupid idea. If you've played GTA, San Andreas, not the new shit, the old shit back in the day with the PS2, and you were driving a tank, anytime a car crashed into you when you were driving that tank, you had 6 stars and the cops were going after you. Anytime that those cars tried to crash into your tank, they would automatically blow up. Like they would automatically just
I remember
disintegrate.
that.
So that's exactly what would happen if a car tried to crash into the TRX, which is the good thing. But still, people are fucking morons. You gotta be careful when you drive like this.
They gotta be careful.
Well, yeah, that's what I meant.
What did it say?
So right now it says 52. So the range of miles on the truck when I started it was at 40, and right now it's at 52. It keeps going on.
Mm-hmm.
The reason why is because we fucking drive like degenerates. So when we're fucking forwarding the gas all the time, this fucking truck does like 8 miles per gallon. And now that I'm driving, you could say somewhat carefully or slower, it increased my mileage by fucking 12.
So we got gas.
So we got gas. I can create gas like that, bro.
So we only used 3 miles to get here. Even though it was probably a 20-mile to 30-mile drive. What the hell's going on here?
Bro? What the fuck?
Oh shit.
Yo, these people are having too much fun out here, man. I'm glad that we came out here, bro. This is how you live life. You can't just be stuck at home when it's perfect weather outside. Oh shit.
So we actually didn't even use any gas to get here.
No, we didn't use any gas.
Shit. There's a bench there.
That bench should get fucked. Woo! Let's fucking go! Alright, now we can go home. Oh yeah, now we're at 14 miles.
And we were just
So we're back. We made it back home safe and sound, okay? Did very, very safe activities that I wouldn't recommend anybody to try at home. But this is what life is about. Life is about having fun. Life is about experimenting and keeping it fucking cool. So, happy that we're back and we enjoyed and we passed the challenge.
we did.
We successfully executed beautifully. So now we're gonna have some fucking burgers. And that's it.
Bro, what the hell's going on?
Number one, we're in New York. So you gotta own a pair of Timbs if you're in New York. And number two, the grill is always fucking open. I don't do none of that, oh, summer's over pussy shit. No, the grill's open 24 fucking 7, 365 days a fucking year.
What the hell? Oh shit.
Mint. See? I don't know why people are scared of a little snow. It's like they turn into bitches once it gets a little bit cold and snow starts dropping. It's like, who gives a shit? You can't be affected, you know? It's like when somebody knows that they can fuck with you. They know that they can get to you, so they'll just keep doing it. If you allow the weather to do that to you, then it's like allowing the bully to get away with its crime. Why would we do that?
That's true.
We wouldn't, and we're not. Time to get some burgers on the fucking grill.
My kids, I was just broke in the bitch. Now I have combos about business. Real estate and gaming interest doubled up. Ain't need a witness. Think I'm a hoe, come and show me. Been ballin'